G'day again, viewers. Welcome back to the mountain. Continuing work on the shelter, working on the floor at the moment. And I've been moving some soil in by hand, well, with a wheelbarrow and a shovel, to level out the ground. And last night, I did a few hours yesterday afternoon. Then last night we got absolutely hammered with a hailstorm. It was pretty cool. But that's why there is now leaves and branches and stuff just absolutely everywhere, shredded through the canopy. But everything survived. It was a good test. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. There were some pretty big hailstones. They were about the size of large marbles. I've got a couple of photos. But anyway, yeah, going to continue work levelling out the soil, the ground rather, just filling it in with dirt. This was probably took the most time, this corner. It was a lot lower. You can see there we've got the nails of the water level. So we've got that nail in there, which is exactly the same height relative to that nail down there. And yeah, I had to fill in almost a foot on that one, which took a while. But now it's just a few inches around the other spots. Yeah, so I'm going to go keep working with that. And then it's a matter of, we've got some boards that I've cut out with the sawmill. Nice 1 by 1 inch thick boards that are going to form a barrier around the outside, which is then going to contain the wooden pavers and the gravel fill for the floor. So there we go, guys. I spent a few hours putting all this fill in, and it's pretty close to level at the moment. Some of this, it's going to need a bit more over everything, but I decided I would go ahead and start with putting up the formwork. So I've been cutting out these boards over here, just with a circular saw. They're 4 inches wide, and they're going to surround the base of the floor to stop all the timber pavers from moving around at all. And then I'll probably just put straight gravel on the edges as well, because that'll look good. Oh, birds. That's what it's all about, keeping nature on the inside. But yeah, go ahead with this. I've got enough boards cut out on the sawmill to finish this formwork, and then I'm going to start screwing it onto the posts. Well, the side ones are going to be connected to the posts because there's only 2 of them, but in the middle they'll probably come out a bit further and hang out the front. So all of the posts will be on the inside of the formwork. Yeah, right here, back into it. Alrighty then, so I've put together most of the formwork, well about 3/4, 3 sides, as you can see over there, and started shoveling in some more soil to bring the level up. That's taken a long time, it's been a few hours getting all that in, but it's looking pretty good. And that formwork's going to hold everything inside. The old man came down and gave me a hand on the bulldozer, clearing out the back here. We removed some of the logs that were up here, took them to the sawmill. So that's going to be a nice sort of downward slope now, and I'm going to build more gardens and stuff down there. And also he pushed up some soil that I've been shoveling into a wheelbarrow and moving into the floor, trying to get the level high enough. But it's looking pretty good at the moment, almost halfway. So yeah, I'll keep going with that. There is a bit of a change coming through though. Looks like we might get a bit of rain this afternoon, so that might slow things down a bit, but we'll see. Well, it's a good way to test out the new roof. And I can't see any real major leaks at the moment, which is pretty impressive. Decent shower as well. Managed to finish up the formwork this afternoon before it all started coming down again. Here we are guys, it's the next afternoon, and the rain finished last night, but we got a pretty good downpour, and I waited a few hours this morning for things to dry out before getting back into it, and today I managed to get pretty much all of the next level of fill in. But yeah, there looks like there's another change coming and a bit more rain this evening, so I'm gonna knock off there. And yeah, it's looking pretty good though. Got some nice flat dirt happening. It's pretty impressive as far as wooden squares full of dirt go, I reckon. I'm pretty proud of it. And I think it's going to make a pretty good floor with the timber pavers and gravel. So yeah, I'm going to leave the video at that, and hopefully in the next one, next weekend, or after the next few days, been a bit busy the next few days, get back into it and start cutting up some pavers, and the floor will be looking pretty good. And then after the floor's done, I'm pretty much moving in. There's still a lot more to do. Put the guttering on, install a watering tank, going to put in some solar panels and batteries and stuff. I'm going to build a bit of a kitchen bench across there that looks out across the valley there. And yeah, gravel around the edges outside to stop corrosion there. But yeah, it'll be I'll be living in here soon enough. Rightio guys, see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video series. I'll see you next time. See ya.